Alright, so let's do 14 and 15. So for level 14, what we need to do is create an event handler to handle changing the colors of the LEDs when these buttons are pressed. So I need to say on event, because that's a button event. When event button red is clicked, we want to call this set LED color function and pass in the value red for this color parameter. It'll then use that to change the color. We don't need to recreate this set of code then for each color. We can just pass in a parameter. So we're going to call set color LEDs. LEDs color, LEDs color, and we're going to pass the value red in. Now if you run it and test it, it should change all of your LEDs to red. "15 is going to ask you to change the rest of these. So you're going to do the exact same thing that you did for red, for the other colors. I love how it changed what I did. So the easiest way to do this will be to copy and paste, and I'm only going to show you one and you're going to do the rest. We want to do button green, and it should change them to green. You should be able to do blue and white on your own. I do expect you to finish this level though with all 4 colors, red, green, blue, and white. If you are feeling really ambitious, add 2 more buttons and pick a color that you like.